Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I am going to be explaining you how to link Chime to Coinbase. So you can see we have our Coinbase exchange over here. So what you need to do is first you need to make an account on Coinbase, and there, once you have your Chime account and Coinbase account ready, all you need to do is simply add your payment method. So if you want to uh, learn that, you can see this is your Chime account, and in order to simply get into your account that is going to be linked with your Chime account, so basically you can see over here, if you search it up as well, you need your Chime account, and the Coinbase account is going to be connected via the payment methods inside provided by Coinbase. So this is the one that you are going to be heading over with, and you can click on get started and add a payment method inside Coinbase, which is going to be Chime. Make sure you note that, and this is really easy. I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.